Aloha, this is Michelle. Sorry that the wipers are on. It's rainy. I thought I'd just take you on a little drive up the trail here. You might be able to hear the raindrops on the top of the car. Here we go, navigating over these wide swaths of water and little mini rivers. This is the crazy drive I have to go through to get up here. But it's quite worth it. Oh, there we go. Someone came and cut the grass. That's nice. Whoa! Oh, I was trying to show you my favorite bird. Anyway. Here I am at the end of the trail. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to rally a bit. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta rally. Slippery. Woo! Into the carport without hitting anything. Ah. Life is good. Aloha.